Hey, Authentic Sports Cards here. Got a mail day. One is a card from Upper Deck, and one is a box of cards. I'm going to break that box in 1 second. Just show you the card first. Nothing great. It's a Tomas Vokoun, uh, goalie for the Panthers, autograph card, see-through, ice scripts from Trilogy. It was a redemption. Got a couple redemptions coming in from Upper Deck hopefully soon, so I'll be showing more of those. If anyone's interested in this, PM me, let me know. Um, the other item I had was got a good deal on eBay for this box of Razor Sports Icons 2009. One card in the box, one encapsulated cut signature per pack. So let's see what we got. Got a good deal on eBay for this using the live.com link. I don't know if anybody knows that. It's called bing.com now. And you get the cash back program if you do a buy it now on something. And with the buy it now, I ended up saving another like $8 on this box. So that was pretty cool. Let's see who we got. If I could get the box open. I got a George Brett. Numbered 45 of 49. I don't know why this isn't zooming. Not zooming in for some reason. So I don't know if that's coming out, but it's a George Brett cut auto. Not too shabby. At least I got somebody who I recognize. I've seen some things out of here of cut autos of jockeys and stuff, and you don't really even have any clue who they are. So that's pretty cool. Alright, if anybody's interested in it, let me know. But that's about it for today. Those were the two pieces of mail. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Later.